here today to learn about and discuss one of the hottest topics of American and German politics, transatlantic relations. We have to find out where we still differ, if we differ, and what we still have in common. We have to find out where our interests are and how to solve the problems ahead. Many think that good transatlantic relations are still a given, and that the reference to our glorious past is enough to cement this partnership and friendship. But you all know that this is not true. It might be true for most of us here, and we still take transatlantic relations very close to our heart. But we have to work, as all others have, on our partnership, on our friendship, and be aware of growing anti-Americanism, which we have to deal with.
A US company doing business in Germany, we have a vital interest in a very fruitful transatlantic relationship, and partially probably a reason for the title of this conference today. We've seen troubled waters in this past year after the Snowden revelations, I think last June, and I'm hoping for a very fruitful discussion today, and in the spirit I'm looking forward to a very fruitful conference today. Thank you very much.